See how she's, you can't see it very good, but see how she's raising her upper body up? There'll be an egg right there. And she just laid it. See it? Oh, you did such a good job, baby. Yes, you did. Yeah, they're all gonna help you now. Look at them. That's such a good family. Y'all are such a good little little mob. Yes, you are. There's Proud Daddy. Are you a proud daddy, Butters? Your girl laid another egg. Yeah, it's beautiful too. I already saw it. It's big and green. Yeah. There it is. Beautiful green egg. You did good, Nippers. They're going to cover it up for you. I think. Once you come out of there, Tuckers will work on it, I bet. Won't you, Tuck? Yes. You guys are doing good, though. Biscuit's like moving the leaves away. It's kind of funny. They kind of both are, instead of putting them on top of it. Anyway, in any case, I'm going to get it in just a few minutes. Y'all did a magical job on the beautiful sunset in the background. Yeah. Good job, babies. All right, y'all. We'll see y'all later.